Good morning. It's been a while since I filmed a at-home study vlog, but here we are in the midst of exam season. My exams are less than a month away. I have to say I am stressed and I am cramming. So I plan to do a 12-hour study day today and tomorrow actually. The last study vlog I filmed, I was back at home. Now I'm back in my hospital accommodation, as you can probably tell by the crustiness of it. But yeah, I have a lot to do. I'll put the to-do list up on the screen so you can see. I'm gonna start with H&S because I hate H&S. So I tend to start with the subjects I hate the most in the morning because that's when I have the most energy, so that's when I have the most tolerance to get through it. It's currently 8:54. Let me just go fill up my water bottle and we shall make a start. Right guys, so I just finished doing my H&S flashcards. It's 11:53 right now. It took me 3 hours only because I spent the first hour fixing some of the flashcards because they're not my flashcards. They're just these flashcards that have been passed around the year. So actually doing the flashcards took me like 2 hours, which is what it usually takes me. Like 400 and something flashcards. I'm doing 30 a day. So I should finish the flashcards in about 15 days, which is like a week and a half before my exam. So that should be fine. So now that I've done the most draining part, which is H&S, I'm gonna do some ALS flashcards now. I'm currently revising GI and surgery. I've added this add-on to Anki that makes me do my flashcards faster, but I can only use it on my laptop, so I'm gonna be doing my Ankis on my laptop. It's 12 right now. I'm gonna take a break. I'm actually gonna go make myself another breakfast because I didn't finish those oats because I just didn't feel like eating oats, guys. So I'm gonna go make some eggs and just some bread. Eggs and toast, scrambled eggs and toast, and then take a little break and get to my Anki flashcards. Got a package. Paperlike sent me this screen protector and I'm really excited to try it. It's not a sponsorship. We shall see what it's like. So here is the paper-like screen protector. I'm just opening it up. This is what is inside when you open it. You get 2 screen protectors inside, which is really good. You also get some stickers in the pack as well, which is really cool. So I followed a tutorial from paperlike.com to help me stick on the screen protector, but guys, I did really bad sticking it on. Like, I had so many air bubbles, but you'll see anyway. So there's this like thing you get to wipe the dust off, and also this wipe to like clean your screen before you actually stick the screen protector on. So I'm just sticking it on there, and you can see I do it really badly, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It doesn't look as bad on camera. I tested writing on the screen protector and it actually felt really good. Like, the grip was so much better than having no screen protector on my iPad. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you click the link in my description and use my code lizasanyaa. So it's 6:30, time for another 30-minute break. I don't feel like I deserve it, but I ordered food. But yeah, I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat it while doing flashcards actually. Let's go, guys. I hate exam season. 8:19 p.m. I finally finished my PPT deck. I don't know why it took me that long. I think because I was just really tired. I'm gonna take a break and I'm going to do 2 hours of reviews and then possibly some pass med. We'll see. Good morning. It is currently 9:40 a.m. I've already gotten up. I've done my whole morning routine. I'm just having a cup of tea. I'm gonna go to the library, which is in the hospital. I want a change of scenery. I don't really feel like spending another 12 hours in my room. Hopefully it's empty. I'm kind of hoping it's empty because I'll be able to film. Most people go home for the weekend because this isn't exactly the best town to be in. I feel like I have an even heavier to-do list today, which I'll put up on the screen so you can see, but I will try my hardest to get through it. Hopefully today is productive. Hopefully today goes well. I'm hoping the change of scenery will help me to be a bit more productive, and I think I'm actually gonna push myself to do 50-10 today instead of 25-5. I don't know, I'm feeling a bit more energized today, so yeah, let's get through it. Okay guys, I'm in my car now. I'm about to drive to this boba place to go get some boba, and I think I'm just gonna go back to my room because I don't know, I don't feel like studying in the library anymore. I'm gonna do some ALS revision when I come back. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm back in my room. So I got the anki boba. It looks so cute. It's matcha boba. I've heard it's actually not that nice, but I saw matcha and I was like, I have to try it. I also got Greg's, which I didn't show on camera, but yeah. Let's try the boba. It's alright. Hopefully the matcha will keep me awake for the rest of this afternoon. I'm gonna have this and my matcha while I do some work. So I'm gonna do some PPT now. Well, I've just done PPT flashcards. I'm gonna make the rest of the GI blocks PPT notes. Hopefully I can get to bed on time because I have church tomorrow morning. So yeah, let's do some work. So it's 6:18 at the moment. I had a mini breakdown because I started messaging my friend about what she's doing for HNS, and then I got sent a bunch of different resources, and then the stuff on those resources didn't match the flashcards that I was doing, and then it was just stressing me out. So I wasted like an hour and a half doing that. Anyways, I finished the PPT notes for this block. All I have left to do now is my topic 3 and topic 4 reviews from block 32, and then pass med. So I'm gonna make dinner now, and then I'm going to do the reviews as I'm eating. I'm gonna get these done quick. So let's go have some dinner and do the rest of these flashcards.